Here we have the Fitbit Versa 3. It's the smartest tracker from the Versa bunch. It's the first Versa model that comes with onboard GPS, or at least it was when it first came out. But how good is the Versa 3 now? Is it worth buying over the more expensive feature-heavy Fitbit Sense? What should you expect when you get the Versa 3? To find out that and more, keep watching this video. When it comes to design, there's no surprise that we get the same oval face that most people love. The display is a 1.58 inches with an AMO LED screen, so it's easy to see. A cool upgrade that comes to the Versa 3 is it's easier to swap bands. Now you just touch a button and the band detaches from the body easily, which is quite comfy, I might add. You can also submerge the tracker up to 50 meters, so swimming is never a problem for you. With the Fitbit Versa 3, you'll have 6 days of battery life. It can now charge faster than ever and faster than most smartwatches. They claim you can get a full day of battery in just 12 minutes of charging. That's pretty impressive. Let's just have in mind that most smartwatches in this price range and level of features lack battery life. They can handle around 48 hours of battery life, meaning you need to be charging your watch 3 or 4 times a week. So this battery life on this one, that's amazing. When it comes to fitness tracking, no one does it better than Fitbit. Let's start at the beginning. The built-in GPS is the greatest upgrade on this watch. Not many Fitbits come with the GPS, so this feature is a big difference. Fitbit Pay and music storage are also available on the Versa 3. And now with the built-in GPS, you don't need to carry your phone with you, so you can track your runs, rides, and swims without it. It comes with 20 plus exercise modes that are bolstered by automatic exercise recognition for a range of activities. You can choose between run, bike, swim, yoga, and so much more. You can also get all the maps and routes of your routine. You can watch the maps live, and when you get back home, you can check your full workout routine and maps with a 24-hour heart rate and the activity tracker sensor ready to go. And you also have one of the best features from Fitbit, the active zone minutes, where you're going to find all your data and every pump of your heart to help you improve your goals and smart data. The sleep features are also a big plus on this smartwatch. Now with the Versa 3, you get the insight on sleep stages and sleep score to better understand your overall sleep quality. The Versa 3 came at the same time as the Sense, the so-called health watch. With the Versa 3, you also get the ability to pay with your wrist using contactless payments. Another feature that most people want is the hands-free calling. Now you can make calls with a Bluetooth connection to your phone or even send them to voicemail. Then you have the Spotify app and the ability to store music on the watch, allowing you to run or bike along paired with your music, giving you the total smartwatch experience. Another great smart app that comes along is the Alexa feature, which gives you voice control with a built-in microphone over your smart appliances and devices, as well as easily performing tasks on your watch. For me, the Versa 3 is a great pick if you want to go with a smartwatch brute, and the price is way lower than any other smartwatch with the same lineup. When it comes to fitness tracking, it's a beast as well, and there's no going wrong with the Versa 3. You have the best of two worlds, a smartwatch that makes calls, makes purchases, and give voice commands. It also includes high-end fitness tracking features and for at least $100 less than the competition. So for me, it's for a must for those who have a good budget and a need for a reliable smartwatch fitness tracker that don't want to pay the extra $100 for the Sense model. But that's just my opinion. Why don't you let me know your opinions in the comments down below. Give the video a like if you learned anything, and maybe hit that subscribe button if you enjoy these types of reviews. If you're more interested in the overall fitness smartwatch that can also help you meditate and watch on your mental health, then why don't you check out this video on the Fitbit Sense. It's more expensive, but the pros definitely outweigh its cons. But until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video.